video, we're going to learn how to create a simple hamburger menu animation in Figma. So first, I already have my frame set up as a mobile device, but you can choose any size or shape that you want. Next, we're just going to go ahead and draw a simple hamburger menu icon. So we'll use the pen tool to just draw a few lines. And actually what we'll do is select this and click Shift Option, hold that down and drag to create 3 copies. We'll come over here and even those out. We'll even make the middle one shorter just to add a little depth to the look of this. Okay, so we have the hamburger menu basic icon. Let's go ahead and make that a component. And we can rename that component to hamburger menu. Great. So now that we've done that, let's create a component set. So we're going to add another variant to this. Great. So now we have a full component set. So for the bottom component, we are going to, first we're going to name our variants. So this one will be open, and this one will be closed. So closed state, open state. I actually switch these around so that it's easier to follow. Okay, so closed at the top, open at the bottom. Okay, so what we want to do with the open variant is we can open this drop down. We have the different vectors, 1, 2, and 3. So for the top vector, we're going to change the angle to negative 45 degrees. For the bottom one, we're going to change this angle to 45 degrees. And for the middle one, we're going to change the opacity or the pass-through to 0. And then from there, we are going to align these 2 lines so that they are centered on another. Looks great. All right, so we have the design laid out, and so now we're going to get into prototyping. So we'll go to the prototyping tab and then begin our prototyping. So we'll drag this flow to here. We'll do on tap, property 1, which is the open, so our animate, ease in, and ease out. Sounds good. And then we'll do that again from the bottom to the top, on tap, change to. Sounds good. All right, so now we have our icons and our prototype ready to go. We'll go back to the design tab and we'll go to assets. We'll take our nice component, drop it into the frame where it would be if it was on in a phone design. And then we're going to select our frame, and then we're going to go to view our prototype. All right, so when we click, it changes to an X. And so developing this more, we would have menu items designed out here, but for now, we're just going to keep it simple and get this icon ready to go. So I hope you join me for the next video as I continue to design out this menu in Figma.